If you have to delete a product category for any reason, you will have to find and delete all the images associated with that product category as well. However, doing this manually would take hours, as you most likely have hundreds of other images in your media library as well. Fortunately, we'll show you how to use the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin allows you to manage your media library files using an intuitive spreadsheet, where you can apply changes very quickly. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find a link to our written guide. To save us many tedious hours of searching, we will use a helpful tool inside the plugin, which will help us to filter all the images by product category or attribute. We are talking about the search tool. Once the tool is open, enter the product category or attribute here. Then tick here to enable advanced filters. Select Format as the field key. Choose the operator contains. And the value will be image in this case. Finally, click on Run Search and all your images will be filtered by product category or attribute. And that's how easy it is to perform advanced searches in your WP Media Library with the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.